pour. Hey y'all, Artist Poet Girl here, also known as APG
And
Jamie.
today we're going to make a few get well cards. A friend of mine is under the weather and one is still recuperating, so I thought I would just make some cards for them. And this is a set I got on clearance at the Hobby Lobbies. Y'all remember that big old clearance? Well, when I saw this, I had an idea for the whisk, so that's really the only one I'm going to use from that set right now. I don't know if I will ever use the other ones. And I'm going to use this little tiny flatware set as well, and I don't know the maker of it. So there we go. All right. And where is my... Well, oh, here it is. Here it is, y'all. It's for her. This is what I'm going to just stamp my little pieces on. Well, at least the whisk to start with. To start with the whisk. That looks good. And I'm going to trim it out. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. That's just plain old pretty. Trim it out. Put that aside and let that dry for a little bit. Now, my flatware, I have tack it over and over drying on the back because it gave up the stickums. So let's go ahead and cut our mat to fit on our 5.5 by 4 card base, store-bought card base. Some of the cardstock that we tested my new spray booth with, you know, my little desk spray top with the iris box. I think these will be just fine. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Eke around this edge. I'm gonna use my new favorite. Well, it's not new. Oh, and that's not the right color I wanted. I want my my garden patina. Oh, I love that. Garden patina. Just going to ink around the little edge here. And look, it goes with that little splotch of green that's on there already. So, serendipities. Color the handles on my whisk just to give them a little lip. Now, I've recently saw this on a video. I can't remember whose video it was. I'm sorry. I will try to go back and look in my history and list you in the description box below. But she used these ink picks that she got from RubberMoon. And it's a porous little pick thing here. They come 25 in a set. And you use it with your ink pads or your re-inkers kind of thing. And it gives you a fine enough point that you can color in little small places, okay, on images. Now, of course, the one she was coloring was way smaller than this. And yes, I could use a colored pencil if I wanted, or a marker. I'm not a fan of markers, just not. Don't email me. So that's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to use my little ink pick here. I will keep it on the back. Somehow or another, I will keep it on the back. Now, I want to trim these babies out. Alright, now my little whiskies. Whiskies. Drink some whiskeys and everyone will feel better. And I want to put them on here. So I'm going to, let me see if I have a die that'll fit this. Alright, I found a die. So I cut out my little scrap paper. Let's go ahead and ink around those edges on it. Oh, I don't want the black. Do I want the black? Well, if I want black, I better get the right color thingy. Where's my black thingy? I know I have a black thingy. I found the black thingy. How can you tell one side from the other? The whole thing is, yeah. Yep. Just darken that edge up a little bit. Not going for perfection, because y'all know I'm not that way. Get some glue. I'm going to use some of my Aleene's Turbo that I have in this bottle. Oh, maybe I have some in there. It might be gone. It might be gone, y'all. Let's see. I think that's kind of gone. Let's see if I have another. I'm just going to glue that right there. Let's see if I have some. What do we got here? No, that's some. Well, let's see if there's anything in the quick dry bottle. My little image for the inside. I'm just going to use this scrap because I have it. Why not? All right. Woohoo! It makes me happy when they come out good. Happen. Right. These are not necessarily going to be the same size, but they'll be all right, I think. Ooh, that one's pretty close. Okay. And you know what? Oh, look at that. They're pretty close in size. I think I want to ink around this edge. Let's use our garden patina. All right. I've got some, I pulled out some gems I'm going to put on the front after we get it all layered up. I'm just going to show you one. Ooh, that's got something stuck on there. I like it angled like that. You know. okay. That's okay. That's okay. There goes my card. I still need to stamp my door on the back. Centering that up. Let's go ahead and stamp the door, being I just said that. Because y'all know I stamp the back of the greeting cards that I do with a purple door. Because that's what I named my studio. My Purple Door Studios. I need to re-ink that pad. Let's get a year stamp on here. Yep, 2018. There it is, 2018. Because that's the year I'm making this stamp. All right, so that's our outside. Whisking you well. I thought that was so funny when I saw that stamp set. That's what I thought. I thought, well, that'd make a great, a fun little get well card. Whisking you well. So let's go on our inside. Where's my, here it is. And if you like the outside, you're going to like the inside too. So we're just going to put that there. Where's my inside sentiment? Where's it go? Oh, Lord. Oh, here it is. Over here. It's over here. I lost it over here. I should line that up before I... Yeah, I like the flatware up here. Kind of centered it. Oh, well, it's stuck now. And a little sticky come out. Put that right there. And inside says, but eat up all the attention you can until then. That is so funny in my head, y'all. All right, let's put a little bling here on the outside. Where's my bone folder? It's not a real bone. Here it is. Let's fold that down. Burnish it. Burnish it. Let's put a little gem right there on the handle. Boy, that's got a lot of glue on it. I need to dabble some of that off. Get our gem. These are not round shaped gems. These are kind of an oval, can you tell? Just a little pretty on there. Can you see that? Just a little. All right, now I got to get the envelope because we want to make the envelope fancy-ish too. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to use this. We're just going to see because I found an apple stamp. That's pretty. Clean it off. Okay. Let's see if we can punch it. Punch it. Punch it in the nose, Margaret. Here we go. There's a little apple I can put on the outside of the envelope. You know, reference. An apple a day keeps the doctor away kind of thing. Let me see what else I can find. Okay, so I really couldn't find anything else that I liked better than the apple. So we're just going to use the apple, and I'm just going to lightly color at it. And you do want to glue these on, not necessarily use double-sided tape. Sorry about the jigglage. Because you don't want them to come off in the post. Just saying. You don't want them to get jammed up on a machine, and then that would possibly tear your envelope. You don't want that, do you? Maybe you do. No, you don't.
Photo montage. Portions of this video was sped up for your viewing pleasure. And these are all the close-ups. Card makes me happy. I think it's funny. I hope the receivers think it's funny, and I hope it gets them well soon. If not sooner than that. Thanks for your precious time, your likes, kind comments, subscriptions, and shares. Thanks for watching.